In this tutorial I will show you how to make these shapes step by step in Adobe Illustrator. Create new document. First we will create this spark kind of shape. Select Ellipse tool. Keep fill to none and stroke to black color. Hold Alt and Shift key and drag to create circle. Increase stroke thickness. Go to Effect. Select Distort and Transform. From that select Pucker and Bloat. Drag towards Pucker. Hold Alt and Shift key to equally resize. Press Shift plus X key to fill color. Our first shape is ready. Now we will create this drop shape. Select Ellipse tool. Hold Alt and Shift key to make circle. Select Direct Selection tool. Drag and select top anchor point. Hold Shift key and stretch it upwards. Hold Alt and drag this handle aligned to the center. Press Shift plus X key to fill color. Select Eraser and erase top edge of drop shape. Then select Direct Selection tool. Hold these points and drag inside to make edges curve. Drop shape is ready. Now we will create heart shape. Select Pen tool. Hold Shift key and drag upwards to make curve. Align with bottom point. Drag little bit forward and add point. Then drag it downwards to add curve. Connect to bottom. Right-click and select Transform. From that select Reflect. Follow settings. Make a copy. Press Ctrl plus Y. Connect the shape properly with each other. Again press Ctrl plus Y. Select all. Select Shape Builder tool and hold left click and select entire shape. Fill black color. Heart shape is ready. Now we will create badge kind of shape. Select Pen tool. Follow the process. Select Anchor Point tool. Drag and stretch to form a shape. Right-click and select Transform. From that select Reflect. Follow settings. Place it accordingly. Press Ctrl+Y to check whether lines are connected to each other. Select Direct Selection tool. Select upper anchor points and press Ctrl+J to join it. Similarly, follow on the bottom of shape. Fill black color. Using Alt key, adjust the shape. Shape is ready. Now we will create this arrow shape. Select Line Segment tool. Hold Shift key and drag to make a segment. Increase the stroke thickness. Go to Properties. Click on Stroke. Change Arrowhead. Make sure start and end arrowhead is linked. Decrease the scale. Change the profile and mirror it. Select Anchor Point tool. Drag and stretch it to change direction of arrow. Also, using these handles we can make changes as you wish. This is how we can make and customize arrow shape. Now we will create star and stamp shape. Select Star tool. Hold Alt and Shift key and drag to create a star. Hold Ctrl and drag mouse inside and outside to increase and decrease the sharpness of star. And press left and right arrow key to increase and decrease the points of star. Make sure to hold Shift key while doing these changes. Fill color. Again, select Star tool and follow process. Use left and right arrow key to increase or decrease points. Hold Ctrl key and drag outside to decrease sharpness. Fill color. Select Direct Selection tool and select Point. Drag inside to make edges curve. Both the shapes are ready. Now we will create these lollipop kind of shape. Select Polar Grid tool. If it is not visible, enable it from 3 icon option. Hold Shift key and drag. Use left and right arrow key to increase or decrease the parts in circle. Use up and down key to increase or decrease inside circle. For now we'll create only parts. Go to Effect. Select Distort and Transform. From that, select Twist. Increase or decrease angle to change twist effect. Now select Ellipse tool. Make a circle using Alt and Shift key. Then select Line Segment tool. Follow the process. Hold Shift key to make strength segment. Then select Rotate tool. Press Enter and follow settings. Press Ctrl+D to make a copy. Make selection of only internal lines. Go to Effect. Select Distort and Transform from that select Twist. Similarly increase or decrease angle to change twist effect as we done earlier. Both the shapes are ready. Now we will create last shape, that is spiral shape. Select Ellipse tool. Make ellipse. Select Direct Selection tool and select left anchor point and press Delete. Reflect the shape. Place it accordingly. Select all and press Ctrl+J to join it. Select Shape. Hold Alt key and drag it upwards and align it properly. Press Ctrl+D to make a copy. Then select all and press Ctrl+G to group it. Spiral shape is ready. That's it for today. If you're a beginner, make sure you practice these shapes. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.